वीडियो में हम अभी जो नेट की परीक्षा हुई है जून 2024 की, तो उसकी अंग्रेजी की मॉडल आंसर की देखने वाले हैं। बहुत से छात्र ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं कि सर वो तो परीक्षा रद्द हो गई है, तो फिर अब वो मॉडल आंसर की लेके हम क्या करेंगे। मित्रों, इट इज़ योर नैरो एटीट्यूड। ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए। हमने प्रयास ईमानदारी से किया था और परीक्षा भी हमने पूरे ईमानदारी के साथ दी है। अब जो बात हुई है उससे हमारा कुछ लेन देन नहीं है। हम हमारा पूरा फोकस पढ़ाई के ऊपर करने वाले हैं। ये जो पेपर था ना अभी का, कोई कुछ भी कहे, इट वॉज रियली टफ पेपर। मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि टफेस्ट पेपर, बहुत ही कठिन था। एक ऐसे बहुत 100 में से अंग्रेजी के ऐसे बहुत कम प्रश्न हैं कि जो एक ही लाइन में एक ही सेंटेंस में आए हैं और उसका आंसर भी इजी है। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4-5 ऐसे सवाल है। बाकी के 90 to 95 प्रश्न ऐसे हैं मेरे मित्रों, जो 3-3, 4-4 प्रश्नों का कॉम्बिनेशन है। मतलब अगर कुछ चुनना भी रहा तो ऐसे वो पेयर्स में दिए गए हैं, 1, 2, 3 और उसका और नीचे। तो मैं सीधा सीधा यही कहना चाहूँगा कि ये जो 100 प्रश्न हैं, ये 100 प्रश्न नहीं है मेरे मित्रों, ये कम से कम 300 से 350 प्रश्न हमारे पास आए हैं। अब हमारा ये काम है कि इनके अगर सही सवाल जैसे हमने लिए हैं ये, तो उसके सही जवाब भी हमारे पास होने चाहिए। प्रश्न है तो उसका सही उत्तर भी हमारे पास होना चाहिए, ताकि जो अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन जो आ रही है तो उसमें आप लोगों को मालूम होना चाहिए कि यही सवाल नए रूप में 15 से 20% आपके सामने रखे जाने वाले हैं। लाइन टू लाइन, वर्ड टू वर्ड ऐसे नहीं होंगे वो, लेकिन सिर्फ उनका रूप बदल दिया जाएगा, पर प्रश्न यही रहने वाले हैं। तो आप लोगों को इनके आंसर्स मालूम होना बहुत जरूरी है। ऐसा मत करो कि प्रश्न छोड़ के आए सब, अब परीक्षा रद्द हो गई ऐसा सुनने में आया, तो फिर अब क्या देखना। ये 100 प्रश्नों का भंडार आपके पास है, जो एक्चुअल 300 से 350 प्रश्नों का भंडार है। अब इनमें से आगे वाले आने वाले परीक्षा में 10-20 भी प्रश्न हमारे पास आते हैं, तो वी मस्ट बी कॉन्फिडेंट कि सर ये प्रश्न मैंने पिछली परीक्षा में छोड़ा था और इसका आंसर ये है। अभी आप सिर्फ टिक करके आए एंड यू डोंट नो करेक्ट आंसर, तो ऐसा मत होने दो। अब मैंने यहाँ पे ये जो टेस्ट बुकलेट कोड है, तो मेरे पास जेड कोड आया है। तो मैं पहले 50 प्रश्नों के ऊपर तो भाष्य नहीं करूँगा, मैं अंग्रेजी का एक्सपर्ट हूँ, तो इसलिए मैं आपको सीधा सीधा इंग्लिश क्वेश्चंस की तरफ लेके जाता हूँ। सवाल 100 है, प्रश्न 100 है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट वेरी फास्ट। तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए, हो सकता है कभी स्लिप ऑफ टंग हो जाएगा। तो आपके सामने ये प्रश्न पत्रिका होनी चाहिए। जो आंसर मैंने बताया है उसको पेंसिल से टिक करके रखो, तो आपका फायदा ही फायदा है। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 टू 50 ये पहले प्रश्न पत्रिका का वो पहला हिस्सा है, तो वो नहीं देखेंगे हम। अब पेपर सेकंड की तरफ मैं आया हूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, क्वेश्चन सेट भी मैंने बोल दिया आपको, क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट जेड है। मैं सवाल पढ़ता हूँ तो आपके पास कौन सा भी सेट रहने दो, वो क्वेश्चन ढूंढो और उसके सामने उसका जो यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं उसको टिक करते चलो। ओके, फास्ट। क्वेश्चन 51, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग राइटर्स वंस रिमार्क दैट I woke one morning and found myself famous? Of course, option third, Lord Byron. 52, which of the following definitions of linguistic terms are correct? And I go with option second, B and E only. B and E. Question number 53, what is the correct chronological order of the works of John Milton? So, actually all options are incorrect. So correct option must be actually option 4, but there is some mistake. I am going to read. Order must be D, C, E, A, B. किसी भी ऑप्शन में डी शुरू में नहीं दिया, उनका पहला ये जो है डी से शुरू होने वाला कॉमर्स ये है उनका, तो आंसर इसमें कोई भी करेक्ट नहीं है। तो डी, सी, ई, ए, बी ये ऑर्डर होनी चाहिए थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 54, Patrick White, the Australian novelist, was a recipient of which of the following prize? So I go with option second, A and D only. A and D only means Australian of the year 1973, and he got also Nobel Prize in Literature in 1973. Option second, A and D. Question number 55. What is the correct chronological sequence of famous dramatists in order of their birth? So I go with option first, B, C, A, D, E. Option first. Question number 56. What is the full form of APA? I go with option second, American Psychological Association. Question number 57. What is the correct sequence of various periods of English literature? And I go with option third, B, A, D, C, E. So you have question paper, so there is no need to explain it. Okay. Question number 58. What is the following works were edited by gay activists, writers or artists? So I skip this question because I am not sure. Okay. Question number 59. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following books of D.H. Lawrence? And I go with option second, D, B, C, E, A. Option second. Question number 59. Question 60. Literature review provides, and option second, discussion of works already researched in a relevant subject area. Okay, option second is model answer here. Question number 61. P.B. Shelley's Adonais laments the death of course, option first, John Keats. Question number 62. Who coined the term phylogeocentric? Phylogeocentric, of course, it is coined by Jacques Derrida. Question number 63. Identify the text from which the following lines have been taken. Therefore, compare with the poet, with the historian, and with the moral philosopher, and if you go beyond them both, no other skill can match him. Option 4. Defense of poesy. Option 4. 64. Match list means term concept, and second list, invented or coined by. Objectivism, pathetic fallacy, sprung rhythm, structure of feeling. Okay, got it. So I go with option 4 because A, objectivism, coined by William Carroll Williams, and pathetic fallacy, John Ruskin, sprung rhythm, J.M. Hopkins, and structure of feeling, Raymond Williams. Okay. Question number 65. The poem "O Captain, My Captain" is a tribute to Abraham Lincoln. Option first. Question number 66. Match list first with list second. So now directly question number 61. Ramayana, Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, I go with option second, means the Bhagavad Gita translated by Charles Wilkins. Okay, so you should tell you option second. Question number 67. Again you have to match list first with list second. Coolie, this character you may get, means option 4. Option 4, and Coolie, of course, second. Then Serpent of the Rope, third. Ramaswamy, these characters. In Coolie, Munnu. So option 4. So you may get. Okay. Number 68. Who among the following was not a leading figure of new criticism? Actually 4 figures are leading. So this is also incorrect options. So but lastly I go with option second, Ellen Tate. If they give mark for all, so it would be better, but option second. Again 69, match list first with list second. I go with option first. For example, To His Coy Mistress, written by Andrew Marvell. Like this, The Scholar Gypsy, of course, Matthew Arnold. Okay, if Rudyard Kipling. 70. What is the correct sequence of 5 stages of action in order of occurrence as described by Dhananjaya in Dasarupa? So I go with option 4. B, D, A, C, E. Okay. 71. Who among the following was not associated with movement poetry? And option first is model answer here, Charles Kingsley. First. 72. Which of the following writers pioneered the Australian Aboriginal movement? So I go with Option second, B, C, D only. Option second. 73. Which of the following statements are correct about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's Annihilation of Caste and Concerns dealt within it? So I go with option first, A and B only. It is an undelivered speech written in 1936. Okay, option first, A and B. 74. Which of the following popular Indian words have been incorporated in Oxford Dictionary in the recent past? So I go with option second, ACE, means chai, jugad and namaste. Okay. Question number 75. Which among the following does not fall in category of morality plays? And of course, option number 4, The City Heiress, it is restoration comedy. Option 4. 76. The term negritude coined by Émile Césaire was appreciated as well as criticized by critics and thinkers. Select the correct response that this term received. E and D only, my friends, means option third. E and D means D and E. Okay, they have given E and D. Option third. 77 question number. From the following writers, who are known for magic realism? Of course, option B and D. Salman Rushdie is well known, but again there is pair. Okay, so B and D. Option third. 78. Arrange the following American poets in order of their birth. So option first, B, D, E, A, C means first Ralph Waldo Emerson and last C, Robert Frost. Okay. 79. Who among the following was not associated with Yale School? So option second, Terry Deaton. 80th number. 80th. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following Indian writers in order of their birth? So option third, E, C, B, A, D. E means Michael Madhusudan Dutt. From Michael Madhusudan Dutt to Khushwant Singh. This is chronological order. 81. 81. Match list first with second. Chora, you have to match with Nikhil Bhaktin, means A. Third, second, sorry, Julia Kristeva. So I go with option second, Julia Kristeva. Then last D, richer feminine D, Helen Zigzos. So 81 question and option second is model answer here. 82. Who among the following were associated with Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood? Of option A, Dante Gabriel Rossetti and John Everett Milius. Rossetti is well known, no doubt, but another unpopular, unfamous name they have added. So 82, option first. 83. Who among the following African writers observed that, "Oh my body, make of me always a man who questions"? Option second, Frantz Fanon. 84. The line, "He who works for sweetness and light united works to make reason and the will of God prevail." So of course option third, Matthew Arnold, Culture and Anarchy. Match list first with second. Again 85. You know the complete adventure of Feluda. You have to match with Satyajit Ray, means A for 4, and there is only one option in that pair, A with 4, option second. 85, option second. Okay. 86. Which articles of Indian Constitution pertain to the provision relating to the official language of the Union? So 343, it is well known, but again you have to take the help of 344, means option 3, B and C only. Which out of the following will allow to avoid plagiarism? And option third, giving credit to the original author. Okay, option third. Question number 87. Now 88. Again there is match list first with second. So first option is correct because third space match with Homi Bhabha, A with third, and there is only one pair who has A with third. So option first. 89 number, my friends. Which of the following writers remarked that you are your best thing? Toni Morrison in Beloved. Option first. 90. Who among the following was not associated with Cockney School of Poetry? Option 4, William Blake. William Blake. 4 option. Okay. 91. Which is the latest edition of Chicago Manual of Style? And that is 17th edition. Option 3rd. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following Dalit women writers in order of their birth? So actually there is also minor mistake. Actually it should be EABDC, means option first is more correct, but there is slight difference. Instead of CD there should be DC, but I go with option first. Okay, no doubt. Sorry, there is option second, EABDC. Actually there is correct chronological. I go with 92 question and model answer second, please. Model answer second, EABDC, right? Okay. 93. Which among the following chapters is the distinct feature of the latest edition of MLA handbook? And that is third, documenting sources and overview. Option third. Question number 94. Barbara Smith in her essay toward a black feminist criticism raises concerns for option third, B and E only. B and E only. Okay. Black lesbian women and black and white women both together as they have universal concerns. Okay. 95. Arrange the following literary movements in chronological order of their emergence. So I go with option 4, E. E means pre-Raphaelitism because it was emerged in 1848, and there is only one option who starts with E. So option 4, EBDAC. C. Okay. 96. Choose the correct statements with the regard to the binary pair Long and Perroll introduced by Ferdinand de Saussure. So I go with option third, C and B. C and B means actually it should be B and C, but they have given C and B. Okay. 97. Who among the following observed that nothing can please many and please long but just representations of general nature? Of course, Samuel Johnson. So option second. 98. Which day is celebrated as International Mother Language Day? It is celebrated in February 21st. Option first. 99. What is the correct chronological sequence of periods of American literature? Now look. So option second, BADEC means from revolutionary age to naturalistic period you have to use. So option second, 99 question. 100 number. Which among the following is not a type of meaning in a poem as defined by I.A. Richards in Practical Criticism? Option third, tone. Again 101, match list first with second. So Martin Esslin, you have to match the theater of the absurd, means option 4. And here option third is correct. A you have to match with 4, but correct option third, means A with 4, B with third, C with 1 and D with second. So 101 question and correct option third. Again match list first with second. So I go again with option third. A with third, B with 1, C with 4 and D with 2, means 102 question number option third. 103. Identify the author who stated the following lines. There is first the literature of knowledge and secondly the literature of power. The function of the first is to teach, the function of second is to move. Okay, 103 and model answer is option second, Thomas De Quincey. 104. Choose the correct chronological sequence in which the following works were published. So 104 and model answer is option second, CADBE. Okay, Johnson's Dictionary to the Life of Nelson. Okay. 105. Out of the following, which bibliography entry follows the style prescribed in MLA Handbook 9th edition? So I go with option first. So you may get proper way. 106. Again match list with list second. So I go with option third. 106. 6. Okay. For example, anaphoric word means refers back to a word or phrase previously used in text conversation. Okay. So option third, A with second, B with first, C with fourth, and D with third. Okay. 107. Which of the following works is not written by Chinua Achebe, and that is Weep Not Child? Option 4. Again 108. Under whose presidency was PEN as International Association of Poets, Playwrights, Editors, Essayists and Novelists founded by Mrs. Dawson Scott in 1921? Option first, John Galsworthy was president that time. Option first. 109. Who among the following used untranslatableness in his famous work? So I'm not sure, but I go with option second, Philip Sidney, in defense of poesy. Okay, because this work supports. 110. Arrange the following films on disability concerns in the order of their year of release, and correct order should be B, C, E, A, D. Option third. Question 110. Option third. Go ahead. 111. Chronological arrange the following texts in order of publication. So I go with option second, C, B, A, D, E. Means Virginia Woolf's A Room of One's Own, and last should be Endings Reach of Women Born. Okay. Option second. Question 111. 112. Again you have to match list with the second. No doubt. Go ahead. Option first. Option first. A with 4, B with 1, C with third. Okay, no doubt. You know, these are original names and you have to pen them. For example, George Orwell. You have to match with C. Eric Arthur Blair. Okay. Then Lewis Carroll. You have to match with Charles Dodgson. Mary Ann Evans, George Eliot. Like this. 112. Option first. 113. What is the correct sequence of the following novels of Amitav Ghosh? So option second is correct. E, B, D, A, C. Last should be the C of poppies. Okay. Next. 114. The poetic line, it is better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all. Alfred Tennyson's In Memoriam AHH. Option second. Okay. 115. What is the correct chronological sequence of novels of Bhabani Bhattacharya in order of their publication? So I go with option first, D, B, E, A, C. Option first. 116. Who among the following refers to Byron's work as monstrous combinations of horrors and mockery, lewdness and impiety? Option second. It was called, or it was said by Robert Southey. Right. 117. Which of the following statements is not true about Jean Rhys Wide Sargasso Sea? Okay, so there is some confusion, no doubt. Option second, I go. All options match here, but actually 100% characters are not from Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. So I go with option second. The Two Nations is the subtitle of Benjamin Disraeli's Sibyl, or The Two Nations. Option second. 119. Which among the following is not a work of Samuel Johnson? Option third, The Journal of Stella. It was written by Jonathan Swift. Option third. Question number 119. Now 120. Which of the following statements are correct regarding Dalit Panthers movement? Option third, A, C, E only. Okay. 121. Which of the following books was edited by gay activists and artists Joseph Bean and Essex Hemphill? So option first, Brother to Brother. It is model answer here. Okay. 121. Option first. 122. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following works in order of their publication? So correct option should be third, but there is again minor mistake. It is E, D, B, C, A, but it should be E, D, B, A, C, A, C, but I go with option third. 123. Annotated bibliography provides option third, a brief summary stating importance of the work cited referred to in the research. Option third. 124. what is the correct chronological sequence of British poets in order of their birth? So I go with option first, CEBDA, means from John Donne to Andrew Marvell. Okay. Next, what 125. What is the correct sequence of following plays of Girish Karnad in order of their year of publication? Again, there is minor mistake. Okay, I go with option third, DCAEB, but it should be BE. DCABE, it should be, but they have given EB, but I go with option third. 126. A brief reference in the text that indicates the source of the idea or quotation consulted from another sources is option first, in-text citation. Option first. 127. Which of the following texts deals with the theme of creolization? And option third, things fall apart. Okay. 128. Who among the following was not a proponent of Oxford movement? Option 4, Charles Kingsley. He was not. Okay. 129. In the 1985 essay, Three Women's Text and Critique of Imperialism, Gayatri Spivak. You know that question. So I go with option first, A, B and D only. Okay. 130. Who among the following was not associated with Cambridge School of Critics? And option 4, Nick Brooke was not associated. Option 4. Question 130. Again, you have to match list. 131. Author and text. So I go with option first. For example, Richard Hogarth, and his work is The Use of Literacy. B. Ashish Nandy. I go with The Secret Politics of Our Desires. Then Raymond Williams, The Long Revolution. You know. Question 131, option first. Again, match list, term and definition. So I go with option 4. Question number 132. For example, D. Copular verb means linking verb. Linking verb. And there is only one option. Who has that option? Third, you have to. D with third. So option 4th. Option 4th. 133. Which of the following magazines aim to depicting concerns of girls who embrace the tenets of girl culture? I go with option first, A, B and D only. 134. Which work of John Keats is dedicated to Thomas Chatterton? Option second, Endymion. Okay, option second. 135. Name the British poet who wrote Sohrab and Rustum. So model answer is option third, Matthew Arnold. Option third. Again 136. Match list with first with second. So I go with option third, because for example, hagiography, D number, hagiography, the writing or study of the lives of saints, and there is only one option who has option third with D. So I go with option third. 137. List, again you have to match work and writer. So again I go with option third. For example, language as paradox, Clint Brooks. Okay. D. Politics and the English language. Okay, George Orwell. 137, option D. 3 means third option. 138. Arrange the following literary theories or movements in chronological order of their emergence. I go with option second, CDABE, means from feminism to reception theory. Option second, my friends. 139. Which of the following statements are correct about prosody? And I go with B and D. B and D. In the study of poetry, it concerns meter and other techniques of versification. And D. In the study of spoken sound, it concerns intonation, pitch, stress, rhythm, etc. 139, option second. 140. Arrange the following works in order of their year of publication. And 140, I go with option 4, CADBE, means from Black Skin White Mask, it was published in 1952, to E, The location of culture 1994. So option 4. There is poem question number 141 to 145. Okay. What kind of life does the line life for me no crystal stair signifying? Question number 141 and option second. A life full of hardships and struggles. Question 142. Which one of the following is an extended metaphor in the poem? And option second, splinters. 143. Which colloquial form of English is used in the poem? Option 4, African American English. 143, option 4. 144. What advice does the speaker give to his or her son in the poem? Option first, stay strong and never give up in life. Okay. Question number 145. Which rhetorical device has been used by the poet by repeating and at the beginning of many lines in the poem? And that is model answer option third, anaphora. Again you have para, you have to read it and then answer. Question number 146 to 50. 146. What according to the writer is the basic difference between animal and man? I go with option first. Animal are preoccupied with self-sustenance, option first. 147. What gives man the freedom to be useless and irresponsible? I go with option third, abundance of wealth in life. 148. At what stage does knowledge become freedom for man? I go with option 4, where man acquires a surplus of knowledge beyond primary. Okay, 148, option 4. 149. What does the metaphor a big merchant stand for? I go with 4, mercenary. And last, what does the author mean by man also must know because he must live? I go with option first, knowledge is the essence of man's life. Okay, my friends, I have given you model answers, and again I request very politely, don't think this examination is cancelled here, but you have got more than 300 questions. Read it, mark it and think about your responses. अगर मैं सीधा सीधा कहता हूं, अगर आप लोगों को 100 में से अगर 50 भी प्रश्न आ जाते थे ना, तो आप लोग तो नेट क्वालिफाई हो ही गए होते मेरे मित्रों। ओके, अब जब आगे की ये नेट हो जाएंगी तो उसकी भी आंसर की मैं बनाऊंगा। इसके लिए आपसे मेरी विनती है, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, अपने मित्रों को शेयर भी कीजिए। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू।